Good afternoon. Justin here from the Avant-Garde Collection. Wanted to do a quick walk around video for our 2007 Audi RS4. It sells tomorrow on Bring a Trailer. This is a 4.2 liter V8 naturally aspirated motor with a 6-speed manual gearbox. It has the legendary Audi Quattro all-wheel drive system. And what a gorgeous car it is. 87,000 miles, wearing its factory original paint. It's just been loved and cared for this whole time. Lots of service. Super pretty car. A couple flaws, which I'll point out, but not many. I love these cars because they are so understated, but those in the know what they're looking at. Pretty special car. Carbon fiber touches are unique, as are the piping. This car just smells like leather inside. No issues, no scratches on the carbon, no burnt pixels, no sticky buttons. Everything is great on the inside of this car. Rear sunshades, no wheel rash anywhere. This car is waxed and detailed. The flaws in this car are from some sap that sat on the top of the car a little long. And you can see, use my finger, that these did not, it's the right light, you can see it. The wrong light, you know, it kind of goes away, but those are into the clear. They cannot be polished off. So that would need to be, there's about a dozen of them. And that would either need to be sanded and re-cleared or repainted, or possibly wet sanded and color corrected. Our guys did not have the proper equipment to try that, so we're leaving it. Other than that, guys, super nice. All 3 master keys to this car. All the books, all the tools, everything you might need to enjoy this car for a very long time. This car is called the, what do they call it? The winter car to end all arguments. I cannot disagree. Fabulous car for any weather condition that you can throw at it. There's been some talk in the comments around the video stating that there may be an exhaust leak on this car. That is incorrect. Car sounds perfect. Sometimes our external mic gives us trouble, so it creates all kinds of sounds reflecting off concrete, who knows. But in a moment, I'm gonna do another video, and hopefully I can get the exhaust to sound like it does in real life on video. So there you have it, guys. One of my very favorite cars that we've had in quite a while. Very special car, if you know what this is. Not easy to find, especially in this condition. Completely 100% bone stock. Okay, guys, good luck. Thanks again.